I have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 here. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. So the first thing that you want to do is download the Galaxy wearable app. Doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. Just go to your Google Play Store, your App Store. And then once you're there, you just want to do a search for Galaxy wearable, okay? And this is the icon here looks like. Now take note, this is an Android phone, but if you have an iPhone, here's the same app, but the icon is different. The icon says Samsung Galaxy Watch, and you have to search for Samsung Galaxy Watch, okay? So that's the app for the iPhone. This is the app for an Android phone. So once you download that, you want to go ahead and open that. Now once you have it open, you want to go up here where the three horizontal lines are, tap on that, and then you want to go down to here where it says add new device, okay? So let's tap on that. Now we want to go ahead and pick your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which mine is right on top right here. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Let's pair up, getting ready to connect. Oh, I just heard this is vibrating, and right away it found it. Let's pair up to get started. Check the numbers below. Make sure that it matches shown on your watch. So I see this number down here. It should match the number that's on here, okay? 918750, right on there. It matches. Let's go ahead and tap on connect right there. So let's go ahead and pair up. Now it says tap the OK on your watch. So we're just going to go ahead and tap right there. Okay, now it's setting up the phone. Now it says finishing pairing. And while this is pairing, you can actually tap on here to learn more about the watch as well, okay? All right, it says watch paired. Congrats, your new Galaxy Watch 3. Got to go ahead and agree down here. I'm in Galaxy Watch 3 plug-in with the Galaxy Watch 3. I'm going to go ahead and tap on OK. Congrats, your new Watch 3. Check out the following options. You can go ahead and select what you want and then go ahead and go next. I don't even need any of this stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and skip that. You'll get more if you sign into your Samsung account. You can skip now or you can sign in later. You can do it now. I'll probably just do it later. Tap on skip. And now we're all set here. And the watch here says like take a look around, so you can go ahead and do your just go ahead and play around with it. Mine actually just died now, so I got to charge it. But you got your you get your swivel here. You can go ahead and move it around. You have your back button up here and power button down here. So pretty simple. Good luck.